Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry with Simpler Trading, and as we get into the free video that will apply for Monday's trade, about as rough of a close as you could ask for here on Friday, closing at the session lows. And one of the things that I'm looking at is conceding that we will probably open up down on Monday, right? This type of a close usually doesn't bode well, or if it is some type of a modest gap up on Monday, usually that gets sold. We need something down here into this 418 area to work on completing the move. As you get down into 418, what I want to be looking for is a motion more drastic than we saw on the day of the Ukrainian invasion. And so we can mark this here. The sharpest down day, the 24th of February, marks the event. And you can see the action that led up into it, right? Incredibly bearish. And on that flush, we're looking at the put-call ratio. Right? As the market was melting down, participants came in buying more puts than they had, for several months. That, rush into buying puts is what helps put a low into the market. So what I want to look for, or what would be an interesting way of sharing and thinking about this way of trading, is that if on Monday indices can break, you get the fresh reading here in the put call, meaning that participants are more bearish than they've been since that event, but do not take out the low of that event, right? That is to say that its action somewhere down in here does not breach these lows, but does see the sentiment reading becoming more bearish than ever. I think that would help give us a spot to try and buy something from a little bit of a bouncy move into the end of April, thinking that this is some type of left shoulder, right? And again, I'm not telling you that this is going to happen. It's a way I want to prepare myself that if this move does come, because remember, you also have a lot of big tech earnings coming up next week. We all know what happened to Netflix, but is the same thing going to happen to Google and Apple? It's yet to be seen, but Apple announces Thursday after the close, so could you get a rough open on Monday and then kind of grind higher until their numbers come out? That's one scenario I want you to be aware of, and I think tying the sentiment to it will be helpful reading. So again, I hope that brings something to your trading and gives you a helpful roadmap to add in on Monday. You guys have a great weekend, and we will pick it up from there. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.